Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by laying the main parts on the floor and grabbing the hardware. This saves time. Once aligned, position the headboard and footboard upright and bring in a side rail. Make sure holes match. Thread 2 long bolts through the corner plates by hand so threads catch and parts seat evenly. Tighten just enough to hold shape. Do not torque now, because you want flexibility to square the frame before final tightening, which prevents binding later. You now add the center support and slats, which carry most load, so align the center rail and fasten both ends with bolts and washers. Once the center is secure, place slats or platform panels starting at the head and work toward the foot, keeping roughly equal gaps, usually about 2 to 3 inches. Alternate tightening bolts on opposite sides to keep the frame square. This balanced approach prevents twist. Make sure each slat sits fully in its bracket before final torque. You finish by tightening all bolts in a cross pattern. Headboard, then opposite footboard, then sides, so the frame compresses evenly. Use moderate force. Over-tightening can strip threads or warp metal. After tightening, press on corners and center to test stability and listen for creaks. If the frame rocks or squeaks, loosen the nearest bolts, realign the joint until it seats, then red-iron progressively. This fix often cures misalignment. If problem persists, check for a bent rail or missing washer.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.